guys, this is Ernst George, aka EG. You are watching Mind Booster Motivation. We are so far the best YouTube channel in the world that offer free live coaching training session, streaming live on this platform. Anytime you got a chance to stop by, you will always find me talking about money or to be successful. Today, we present you a new video. We want you to understand possibilities are always present, always available for you, and you must be able to jump on opportunity and make them working for you. Many people send me email and they ask me question about how can I make money, why money is so difficult. Do you have a secret formula, something that you can tell me is what I should do and wealth, money, opportunity will come into my life? I wish I have this secret formula that I can share with you, but it's not working like that. What I do are the thing that I want to do and that is working for me. What such or such person did and that give them the level of success they have now, it's a bunch of pattern, social behavior they cultivate along the years that is convenient to what they wish as the goal, as what they dream about. But what I can tell you there are certain rules, certain process. When you follow them, no matter what you are looking for as a goal, as outcome, as wish, possibilities will come to you and you will be able to fulfill your dream, put it at the service order. If you do that, you will be able to become successful. Now is the deal. You don't have to pay nothing for this live coaching training session, streaming live on this platform. And more importantly, if you subscribe right now by hitting the subscribe button and on the notification button, you will be able to find more and more of these videos all the time. It's up to you to choose to put yourself on the pathway of success, to become successful, or to do nothing. As a matter of fact, many people will watch this video and they will learn from it, they will take notes, and they will follow up in what I explain them to do on this video. And unfortunately, much more people who will watch this video, they will skip it and keep watching other stuff to entertain themselves. They will forget the educational aspect of this video and they will not be able to succeed. It's not a prediction, it's the way the universe operates. It's the law of compensation. What you put out is what you will obtain. Now, it's up to you to compensate yourself from living an ordinary life, to change your paradigm, shift your mind, and try to take an action on a daily basis that will change your perspective and give you a powerful, effective, awesome, extraordinary life of success that you deserve. My name is Ernst George. You are watching my Booster Motivation. Thanks for your time. I will see you on the next video that's coming soon.